In today's video, I'm going to discuss how Barbados cherry blooms and when do you expect a crop from this tree. And I was trying to find out that information on internet, didn't find out. So if you see these blooms is happening on old branch, so from previous year, and this tree in probably a 2-3 gallon pot, and it's blooming. I cannot tell you that it blooms like a lot, not really, not every single branch will have bloom, but here bloom. I thought, because I have seen it's blooming only on old woods, I thought that's very important, and you cannot actually prune your tree. But here is a bloom on new shoot. This is completely new shoot actually. This is green. This is green. This is obviously very good news for us, for grow owners who wants to grow Barbados tree in pots. So, because in a pot you need to keep trimming your trees, otherwise you need to keep planting them in bigger pots. Now, let's go and see what's happening in my Barbados cherry in 1 gallon pot. I bought both these trees actually. I didn't have any plan to buy this 1 gallon pot, but when I saw it, it was blooming and it was very branchy. I thought, okay, I'll buy it. So here's bloom, but this is old trunk. This is old branch. Let's see, I have more here. Where is it? Here. And again, even for this tree, I have flower buds developing on new wood. If you see here, this is completely new growth and it's developing flower here. So this is really good news. So I really glad I have another one, because if we see at least 2 trees following the same pattern, most likely you're gonna have the same results. And even better news, this is 1 gallon pot, and I see one berry, because I have seen that information on YouTube that unless your tree well established in grounds, you don't have fruits. Hopefully it won't be just one single fruit on my tree, but in any case, in 1 gallon you do not expect a lot of fruits. And you see I have air layering. Unfortunately, this Barbados cherry just always loaded with ants. It's really annoying because that's they get aphids on new growth. So because I have this air layering, I wanna taste these berries, so I probably will not will not cut this branch until I get some fruits. Follow me to know if I get any fruits. Am I a little bit behind on all my updates on my plants? So just ask me any question in comment section below, and of course subscribe, do not miss any new videos. Oh, I found another one here, flower developing. Come on. Yeah. First for example, lemon tree, and you see lemons developing fruits on new shoots. So if Barbados cherry develops, that's interesting. Old shoots and new ones, very good. The only question I have, how much fruits you can get when your plants growing in pots, because even if you look at all these branches, I don't see many flowers. That's what I don't like, because if you have literally flowers here and another branch, you won't get many fruits, obviously. Thanks for watching.